Yo, what's up guys? Today we've got another shoe from Poshkicks, but this time it's not for me, it's for my girlfriend. So let's see what they sent us. As you can see, they sent us the off-white out of offices in the baby pink colorway. They paid really close detail to everything, which you don't expect in the smaller shoes, but they still did it, which is very nice. They also do come with the hang tags, which is very good. And the hang tags do have the text on them, which is very nice. Big shout out to Poshkicks for sending these out. I've been working with them for a long time already and they never disappoint me. Please make sure to use the discount code Tommy for $15 off. Please make sure to check them out because they are one of the best companies I've worked with yet. They always have the highest quality shoes and one-to-one. Thank you guys for watching and I will see you guys in the next video.